Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Rissica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger, and today David and I are at Disney. We are going to Hollywood Studios, so I'm going to take you along with us. Also at the end of this vlog I will be sharing our trip to Tennessee. We're just going to spend a couple days, but I always like to share where we eat, where we stay, kind of what we're up to, so make sure to stay tuned and let's get parked here at Disney. Do it right here. We're in the line.
Everyone assembled. Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you. Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch.
I don't like this.
This is sick, dude.
I'm scared.
This is way cool.
So the Rise of the Resistance ride was really cool, like unexpectedly cool. I'm like not a major Star Wars person, but I was like, I loved it, and I was scared too. David is so happy.
That's what the other guy was saying. He's like, sorry.
Hey, David's drinking blue milk. That was a hearty drink. No?
That was good.
What is it?
Blue milk.
It's not blue milk.
It's from the thing, from its udder.
I got the green. Let's see. Here I go. Why?
Why what?
Uh-oh. There's the white things.
Oh, the stormtrooper.
I thought it was coming right for me. Saw me with my phone.
Haven't you been seen with resistance sympathizers? We are resuming active recon and leaving this area.
Me to David. I'm not mentally prepared to see Adam Driver today. Kylo Ren was just walking around, but I couldn't. Ready, Pocky?
Jack's getting in a little bit.
You can come in more if you want. Is it stuck there? It's really coming down now. We didn't bring our ponchos.
Nope.
We don't own ponchos or an umbrella. Things have transpired.
Light rain for the next hour.
This is not light. So we just checked into our hotel in Nashville, and I need to kind of connect Florida vlog to Nashville now. I will do a room tour in a second of our Airbnb, but basically, as you saw from the last clip, we got rained out of Disney. It started absolutely pouring rain, like it was crazy. David fell asleep like next to me in the chair, and I was like, we have to get out of here. Like, we cannot stay here anymore. So we got absolutely soaked, and we just knew it was time to go. We got there right when the park opened. I believe it was at 8:30, and then we stayed until about 3:30, and then we drove back home. So we had a really full, fun day at Disney. The Star Wars ride was absolutely amazing. The Millennium Falcon ride wasn't our favorite because we rode the best one first, I think, but we just had a great time. The only ride that we wanted to ride that we didn't get to basically was the Rock and Roller Coaster, but we've rode that one before, and I'm like, I'm not waiting almost 3 hours for the Rock and Roller Coaster. Sorry about it. So that was the only ride that we didn't get to ride, but I ate amazing food as always. It was just a really fun day, and now we are in Nashville, so we'll keep you updated with what we are up to for the quick 24 hours that we're here. I think we're accidentally about to see fireworks. This happens every 4th of July. We end up in a place close to firework time, and then there are fireworks. Even though I don't like fireworks, but I'm just trying to eat, have a meal. So I guess I'm gonna have a free show. All right, we made it to Nashville. We just checked in to our Airbnb. Look how cute this is. This is the bathroom, which compared to all the decorations is pretty plain. Ooh. These donuts, we've eaten 3 out of 11. Live in my head, rent free. Like, look at them, they're so amazing. Like, really, we're honestly in Nashville right now because of these donuts, because I cannot quit them. We are headed to Assembly Food Hall for dinner. We just got done, well, David just got done with the tasting at Old Smoky Moonshine. Now we're driving to Assembly Food Hall, even though it's half a mile from our Airbnb. But that's where we're off to next.
This is like multiple stories too.
What is this cotton and snow?
It's shaved ice.
Oh, dear you. Shaking the table. That's good, David.